Hi guys, how you doing? I'm back with another video. I've just recently got a new phone, so today, and I will show you guys in a minute that what it is. It's a I'm not gonna say nothing now. Actually, I will show you guys when I finish this intro. But yeah, it's my birthday coming soon. April the 16th. I think it's gonna be a really nice birthday, to be honest. Apart from last year. Ridiculous last year. And the year before. I'm getting really annoyed with birthdays. But this year is really nice. It's really good. But yeah, it's just getting used to the phone. I've already unboxed it because I wanted to get it all set up and that. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright guys, how you doing? I am back and I've just switched my camera around. So yeah, here it is, the S9 Plus. What a lovely box. There's the memory, 128 gig, and it says cold blue. But yeah, it's a nice standard box. Samsung Galaxy over there, the S9 just in the middle. So yeah, I'll open this up and then I'll pause the video again. Right guys, I've unboxed it right. Oh, and also I got a case with it as well, just there. So yeah, but anyways, back with this. Right, we'll open this up and then, well, you get your manual just right here. Oops, sorry, I don't want to refill anymore. You get your rubbish, you know, yeah. But anyways, here's the phone. Look at that. That's amazing. This is a nice birthday present for myself. But yeah, wow. Hold up guys, I can't do it with one-handed, so bear a second a minute. Right guys, there it is. That is nice. It's shiny as well. Right, let's turn it on. There we go. It's got two cameras at the back, and I think two cameras at the front. I'm not too sure. I think it is right there. No, it's right there actually. There's the camera. It's pretty quick to come on, to be honest. I do like it. I really do like it. But yeah, it's £61 a month for this, and £15 on, I think it's insurance. So if it gets stolen, that's covered. If it gets broken, it's covered as well. Also, the changes, the USB adapter there, that's not any bigger. It's a bit bigger than the ones what I have, so it comes with this. So if you want to use it, you know, like your old ones, it'll come with this. Size of that. That's pretty much downside of it, but not really that much. There's a big port thing, I don't know what's that for. Well, it's a USB thing, anyways. Here's your fast charging adapter for your Samsung, which I've got loads anyways, but it'll do for now. And here's your headphones. There's your headphones right there, which will be rubbish, so I'll probably sell. Well, I won't sell them. I'll just keep them until I get the. And here's the wire. You get you get a nice wire, and yeah, pretty much everything what you get in the box together. Oh, it's a spare headphone things. But yeah, it's a nice box actually. I do like the box. It's pretty much all of the Samsung boxes anyways, so. But yeah, that's the unboxing of the S9 Plus. Anyways guys, hope you subscribe, comment what phone you like, and also share this video, share my channel if you like. But anyways, I'll see you later guys, bye bye for now.